Shut the doors.
Oh, stop.
What's the matter?
It's not.
And it's locked in.
Keys would be handy.
So, here we go, the first step in converting our van. We need to strip out the van of all the old panels. Floor is going to be a big project. It used to be a blacksmith's van, so it could be rust, could be iron filings, could be anything. We're going to have to clean all that properly. So yeah, step one. And tell me, Victoria, what are we going to need for that?
We're going to need this bad boy, so we're going to be like unscrewing for the panels, and then we are going to be using this Stanley blade to cut the silicone, and a lot of elbow grease.
So yeah, let's go.
So we're going to keep the wood, although we're taking it out, we're going to keep it because instead of like paying someone to measure it and cut it, we're actually going to use the stencil of the wood on the floor and the panels to stencil our own, so it's like a lot cheaper. First day!
It's as easy as this the whole way through.
I hate to tell you, this is the easiest part of the whole thing.
So I've took these bolts off by I've actually just been using this handy little sneaky tool.
10mm ratchet.
10mm ratchet. Inside here is like blocking us taking it off, so we're just gonna unscrew it with the screwdriver. Or Scott is gonna unscrew it with the screwdriver.
Any sign of that? Did you see it? Oh no.
We can't figure out how to remove this, so I'm Googling it. We don't know all the answers. We've done our research, but the best thing to do is YouTube has videos pretty much everywhere for this kind of stuff. So we have figured it out. We had to take the plastic like strip that was kind of up, that's up here, and there's just screws, so we need to just unscrew those using these. Starhead.
There'll be quite a bit of work before we do any more after we strip all the panels, because there's a lot of extras put into this van for supporting things on the walls. We want to make it smooth, so we have a smooth surface for the plywood to go onto, so we've got no bumps when we put in our ply. How far we'll go with that, I don't know. We'll see. How energetic I'm feeling.
These are right. Don't want to do the van conversion anymore.